Now, a disagreement over who should run the program during his absence was what prompted St. Jago's girls coach Gobburn to resign from the post. Gobburn, who spent 19 years overall at the Monk Street-based institution, told TVJ Sports on Monday that he decided to step down to take up the assistant coaching role at the University of Maryland Eastern Shore. But the St. Jago High alumnus says while it was a difficult decision to leave the program he's been a part of for nearly 2 decades, his mind was made up by a decision from the management team.
Prompted my decision not to return. I'm currently on leave as a teacher from St. Jago High School. The person that I recommended to run the program until I return, that person was overlooked, and the management team decided to use someone who I believe is not competent enough to run the program. All right, so I thought long and hard about it. So had I returned, I wouldn't have returned to a team. So technically, the management team are the ones who forced me to make this decision.
Gobburn says he was not short of options after deciding to leave St. Jago, which he led to a 3rd place finish at the most recent ISA Girls Championships earlier this year.
I had several offers on the table, both locally and overseas. So, my family and I, we just decided to look into our options and we made a decision.